Hi everyone, income tax return filing season is on and all of us are busy filing returns. ITR 1, 2, 3 and 4 are out as we wait impatiently for ITR 5, 6 and 7. Though people are filing returns, but there still exists a lot of confusion which needs to be cleared. First of all, when we are filing our income tax return, the default mode is the new tax regime. That means the taxes will be calculated as per the slabs given in the new tax regime. So if you want to opt out and go back to the old tax regime, you have to fill the form 10 IEA. It will give you an acknowledgement number which you need to fill in the ITR at the time of filing. Also remember, people with salaried income can opt in and out of the new tax regime every year, while those with income from business and profession can do this only once, that is, opt out and opt back in only once in a lifetime. Also, people with salaried income must be clear which tax regime they want to go into at the beginning of the year and inform their employers so that TDS can be deducted accordingly. Now coming to an important part. The slab rates in the new tax regime are different this year from what they were last year and in fact work out better. A lot of people, especially those getting salaried income and benefits like HRA, think the old tax regime works out better. This is wrong friends, because the slab rates in the new tax regime are much better. So do your maths before you file your income tax return. So friends, a piece of advice which I always like to give. Have a basic knowledge of income tax filing and how to file your returns.